Hey, it's Glen from Warmboard here. I'm in Rumson, New Jersey on the Navesink River. Got a really nice project going on, and panels have been down. We're at the point now where the hardwood's going down. So let's go take a look, because I do get a lot of questions about hardwood over Warmboard.
Now here you can see the hallway. You've got the hardwoods down like the rest of the house in the main areas. Bathroom has tile. This is one of the bathrooms. And you can see the transition here. We've got 7 tile methodologies that you can use, and a lot of times it's dictated by how high or low you want the tile to sit relative to adjacent hardwood. And so it's very flexible in so far as you're able to choose what method is right for making sure those transitions are nice and tidy. The great room here is still covered. The warmboard's down, the tubing's in. They use some ram board to protect it, particularly throughout the sheetrocking and the mud spackle and whatnot that takes place and falls down. You know, on the floor typically it's covered to protect it from that. And you can see the unfinished hardwood sitting there acclimating. So we do recommend running the system and acclimating your hardwood prior to installation. So this room will be next, and they'll just simply pull the ram board up and drop the unfinished panels right over the warmboard. Okay, as we get up in here, now you can see the unfinished panels are being installed in the adjacent room, and they'll go right over the warmboard. There's no rosin paper, no felt paper, nothing like that required. Glue and stapled right to the floor, right to the warmboard. And then they'll do the finishing afterwards. And this is a wider plank floor, as you can tell, and that is definitely one of our feathers in our cap. Wide plank flooring is not a problem with this system because we are a low water temperature system. There's no other system on the market that will tolerate wide plank over it like Warmboard does.